Hello and welcome to this video on the easiest way to earn $1,000 per day using AI. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Do you want to make more money without putting in more hours? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you the secrets of how to earn $1,000 per day with the power of AI. So, let's get started. Section 1, Understanding AI. First, let's talk about what AI is. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which is the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. AI has grown tremendously in recent years, and it's revolutionizing the way we live and work. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is all around us. Section 2, The Power of AI in Earning Money. Now, let's talk about how AI can help you earn money. AI can be used in various ways to automate tasks and processes, which can save time and increase efficiency. This means you can earn more money in less time. For example, you can use AI to automate your online business, such as using chatbots to handle customer queries or using AI to analyze data to make better business decisions. Section 3, The Easiest Way to Earn $1,000 per day with AI. So, what is the easiest way to earn $1,000 per day with AI? The answer is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a marketing strategy where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale that you make. With AI, you can automate the entire process, from finding the right products to promoting them to your audience. Here's how it works. Step 1, Use AI to find the best products to promote. AI can analyze data to identify products that are in high demand and have a high conversion rate. Step 2, Use AI to create content that promotes the products. AI can help you create compelling content that resonates with your audience and increases the likelihood of a sale. Step 3, Use AI to promote the products to your audience. AI can help you target the right audience and optimize your ad campaigns for maximum conversions. By using AI to automate the entire affiliate marketing process, you can earn $1,000 per day without putting in a lot of effort. So, there you have it. The easiest way to earn $1,000 per day using AI is through affiliate marketing. AI can help you automate the entire process, from finding the right products to promoting them to your audience. If you're looking to make more money without putting in more hours, then affiliate marketing with AI is the way to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.